In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania app. Before we proceed to withdrawal process, let me clarify a few important points about Cryptomania app. Some users have questioned its legitimacy due to difficulties in withdrawing funds. So, here's the ultimate truth. Cryptomania is a simulator app. It does not involve real money transactions or provide opportunities to earn real cash. Any earnings within the app cannot be exchanged for real money. It's essential to understand that Cryptomania is designed for educational purposes, allowing users to simulate cryptocurrency trading. Think of Cryptomania as a demo account in the world of finance. It provides users with virtual funds to practice trading and learn about cryptocurrency markets without risking your real money. So, open the Cryptomania app on your device, and within the app, you'll have access to simulated trading features, allowing you to practice trading cryptocurrencies. Remember, any funds within the app are virtual and cannot be withdrawn or exchanged. Utilize the app to familiarize yourself with cryptocurrency trading strategies, market trends, and investment techniques. So, anyone who tells you that you can withdraw money from Cryptomania is a liar and can be trusted. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.